It's Saturday the 23rd of July 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts. Now, Warner Brothers Movie World on the Gold Coast has announced they are building the world's first Wizard of Oz precinct to replace their Arkham Asylum coaster. The new land is going to feature a suspended family coaster and also a boomerang racer and immense immersive theming to Wizard of Oz. At Walt Disney World, the next generation of MagicBand, MagicBand Plus, is going to be officially launched this coming Wednesday. At Disneyland Resort, the Red Car Trolley ride at Disney's California Adventure is going to reopen for the first time since the pandemic closures. Now, after a series of reported teenager instigated fights forced them to close 3 hours early last weekend, Knott's Berry Farm has announced a new policy where all guests 17 years and younger must be accompanied by a chaperone who is at least 21 years old on Friday and Saturday nights starting this weekend. The Icon Orlando Park have removed their interactive target shooter attraction for the wheel. That is it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next week with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.